The wiper washer lever to the right of the steering column operates your windshield wipers and washer. It has 5 operating speeds to choose from.
Move the lever from the off position down to the first position for intermittent operation. The intermittent setting is vehicle speed sensitive, and the system adjusts the wipe speed based on the vehicle speed. Move the lever down to the second position for continuous low-speed operation. Move it down to the third position for continuous high-speed operation. And here's a nice touch. Move the lever upward and hold it there for a temporary high-speed operation that will last as long as you hold the lever in that position. It's a great feature for those unexpected splashes or passing situations in the rain. To operate the windshield washer, pull the lever toward you. To operate the rear window wiper, rotate the end of the lever to the rear window wiper icon. To operate the rear window washer function, push the lever away from you. And this is a cool feature. If the front windshield wipers are on and you shift the vehicle into reverse, the rear wiper automatically activates. It will turn off when you shift out of reverse. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.